English-Tagalog questions. Why are you angry? Bakit ka nagagalit? Why are you here? Bakit ka nandito? Why are you leaving? Bakit ka aalis? Why him and not me? Bakit siya at hindi ako? Why did you do this to me? Bakit mo ba ito ginagawa sa akin? Why can't you leave me? Bakit hindi mo ako kayang iwan? Why are you alone? Bakit ka nag-iisa? Why did you come here? Bakit ka pumunta dito? Why are you late again? Bakit huli ka na naman ng dating? Why do you love me? Bakit mo ako mahal? Why are they here? Bakit sila nandito? Why are you sad? Bakit ka malungkot? Why did you call him? Bakit mo siya tinawagan? Why are they calling? Bakit sila tumatawag? Why are you happy? Bakit ka masaya? Why do you hate me? Bakit ayaw mo sa akin? Why I can't sleep? Bakit hindi ako makatulog? Why are you crying? Bakit ka umiiyak? Why should I go? Bakit ako pupunta? Why I didn't saw you? Bakit hindi kita nakita? Why should I try? Bakit ko susubukan? Why are you in a hurry? Bakit ka nagmamadali? Why don't you try? Bakit hindi mo subukan? Why aren't you eating? Bakit hindi ka kumakain? Why do you need me? Bakit mo ko kailangan? Why did you leave me? Bakit mo ako iniwan? Why am I here? Bakit ako nandito? Why do you like me? Bakit mo ako gusto? That's all for today. For more videos, don't forget to like, share, and then subscribe.